Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stampin' Things with a quick take demo on how to use the Bow Easy to make multiple loop bows. I do not use this for single loop bows. I chose a trim, flowers for every season combo pack. I picked it because I thought it would be an easy trim for you to see how you maneuver to make your multiple loop bows. You start with your left thumb holding down what is going to be your tail. Your bow is actually going to be upside down when you make it. The tails are going to be going away from you. So I have still got my trim on the spool. I am going to now loop 2 times. Here's 1, and there's 2. Now you need to leave enough room left over to do a knot and have a tail. So I am going to leave 4 inches. One, 2, 3, 4, and I'll leave a little bit extra. Though, oops, I have found you do not really need to leave extra. If anything, you need a little bit less. Leave room at the top because you're going to have to, so I slide it down, leaving room because I'm going to have to take my trim, start with the tail. If it's a fat trim like this, you can fold it so you can put it through. This is the start of your knot. Leave some room as you bring it down. You do have to watch the folds if you want your second loop here to not fold funky. Watch as you're bringing it through. Leave room here because this is where you're going to form your knot. You bring it up and you run it through. It's a little bit awkward, and now watching as you tighten that your knot doesn't end up folding the trim funny. Everything stays the way you want it. You pull it tight, and you can see that you have your tails away from you. If it looks like you want it, you can play around with the tightness of your bow. You can play with your folds, but then when it's exactly like you want, you just slide it off. And since it's a 2-looper, you just separate them out. You can, right there, this particular loop was bigger. I just left it, I didn't get it really tight so that I can kind of maneuver it and move it around till it does exactly what I want it to do. And then you can hold the knot and still go tighter if you want. And then cut off your tail and you have a beautiful bow. Oops, I guess I will. And that is the quick take for today. Leave any questions, comments, or suggestions on this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.